Hi everyone! Big news coming our way. Epic Games is shaking things up with updates to Unreal Engine, Twinmotion and RealityCapture pricing, set to roll out in late April. Before starting, I just want to take a moment to thank all the people following the channel, since a few days ago the 1000 subs milestone has been hit. There's still a lot to do, but I think this is a very good start. Thank you guys. Now let's dive into the new pricing structure. First up, Unreal Engine 5.4 is bringing a new seat-based subscription model, priced at $1,850 per seat annually, targeting companies with over $1 million in annual revenue, not creating games, and not licensing third-party end-user application relying on Unreal Engine runtime code. This shift follows last year's announcement at a RealFest in New Orleans, promising a pricing model for industries beyond gaming. But don't fret, Unreal Engine remains free for students, educators, hobbyists, and companies earning less than $1 million annually. For what concerns game developers, everything remains the same with the 5% royalty model, with the first $1 million in revenue being royalty-free. So what's in store for the Unreal subscription seats? Well, each seat grants access to Unreal Engine 5.4 and future versions released during the subscription period, along with the creative tools like Twinmotion and RealityCapture. If you want to try before buy, Epic will also offer a 30-day free trial that covers all three products. For the ones developing a non-game application that is licensed to third-party end users and relies on Unreal Engine code at runtime, they will need to pay royalties just like game developers do. Pricing changes will not apply to new or existing users of Unreal Engine 5.3 or any other prior version. They will only apply to users of Unreal Engine 5.4 or later. Since I've mentioned them before, just as a recap, Twinmotion is a software that offers lightweight visualization capabilities, often used in architectural visualization. And RealityCapture is a complete photogrammetry solution. Check them out if you didn't already, they are quite cool. With the new subscription model, both Twinmotion and RealityCapture are bundled with the Unreal subscription seats. Epic also said that their goal is to fully integrate Twinmotion and RealityCapture with the Unreal Engine by the end of the 2025. It's important to note that Twinmotion and RealityCapture standalone products will still be available for purchase, priced at $445 and $1,250 per year, respectively. As with the Unreal Engine, students, educators, hobbyists, and small companies earning less than $1 million still get to use them for free. These updates aim to keep Unreal Engine development accessible while ensuring long-term viability. After all, Epic Games wants to provide top-notch creators tools to everyone, big companies, small studios, and individuals creators alike. Personally, I think that Epic Games is moving in the right direction. And in recent times we saw that is not always the case. Yeah, Unity, I'm looking at you. So that's all guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful somehow. If you did, remember to like it and subscribe to the channel. If you want to take your support to the next level, be sure to check out my Patreon page in the video description. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep on creating and cheers!